That's a sweet bass. That is a sweet bass. Look at that! Two babers. Awesome. These ones are nice right here. Look at that, baby. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Oh, look at that hummingbird. Alright, look at that. Second cast. Nice little bass. Wow, look at all those. Oh, those are awesome right up there. Need a ladder. Look at this gorgeous thing. That's what we're looking for. That is a proper bass. Hey babe, how you doing? When I first heard about these stairs, the article called them the death stairs. Brown snake. Oh, you got a nest around here? Or are these just your rails? Oh, look at that hummingbird. That was awesome. Look at that thing. Oh, the truck's still there. That's always a good sign. Sweet. Alright, so just talked to a couple people and they said the huckleberries are really nice up here in the shade, so let's see if we can get some of those. Love it. So if you see a big one back in there, you just have to have. These ones are nice right here. Looks like they're going to be going for a while. If you came up here just on this mission, you could probably make a haul. Ooh, found the mother lode. Look at all these. Nice. Wow, look at all those. Oh, those are awesome right up there. Need a ladder. Check all those out. Not a bad haul. I got a cooler to put them in. Super nice. Down in the dark. A little bit of light at the end, getting there, but now I get to come back in the light. It's so awesome. Amazing area. Wow, more huckleberries. Looks pretty good. Something big right here. Real big. That's a sweet bass. That is a sweet bass. That is beautiful. Look at that, baby. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Look at this. Look at this gorgeous thing. That's what we're looking for. That is a proper bass. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, going back. Okay, we got something big. Real big. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, he's going. He's out of here. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Running, running. Look at that. Oh man, he came up a little bit. Wow. Stay out of the weeds, stay out of the weeds. Coming in. Just let me bring you in. Stay out of the weeds, stay out of the weeds. Come on, baby, come towards me. Oh, either he's swimming towards me or I lost him. He's swimming towards me. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, here we go. Okay. Oh, it's a carp. That's why it's so freaking big. Oh, nasty things. Oh, I was hoping that was a bass. I don't want to lose my gear here. Oh, it's a beast. He's not gonna like coming up here either. There he goes. That is not the species we're looking for. Darn thing. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, big old carp, big old carp. Oh, he's getting tired, he's getting tired. Oh, he's on the top. Oh, he's still trying. Oh, it's a big one. Oh, look at that thing. Man, it's golden. Oh my goodness. He's tired. Wow. Beautiful. Even though it's a carp. It's amazing. Look at that thing. 6-pound test. Luckily it's just in the lip. Alright, you're free. Freaking thing. It's a beast. Wow. That was a workout. That was a workout. Woohoo! Oh yeah, what do we got? Oh, catfish? Look at that, that's a new one. Oh, it is a catfish. Wow. Be careful with these things. Man, he was right on that. I don't want to get his stingers on me. Wow, that was cool. Look at that one. Oh, he got me. There you go, babes. something on here. Hopefully it's a nice one. Oh, he's in the weeds. Let's go to him. Oh, it's a little bass. Little dinker. Oh, got himself off. Cool. He hit it pretty hard. Hell's Canyon, yeah. Alright. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you.